Here's a little roadside restaurant, Filipino food. Open air. We enjoy this place. Good food, cheap. Hello. By the plate, or serving, I mean. I mean, 6 of us can eat here for... Right there's fine, if you want. Okay, same place as last time? Okay. I mean, 6 to 8 of us can eat here for less than $20. All right. Wonder how safe that is. That's right above us. Got chicken, I got a little of that, a little of that. Rice, of course. Everybody's got one. Ashley's got fried pork chop. This will all be... Oh, this will all be less than 1,000 pesos. So it'll be less than $18. A nice view. Right, Dahlia? Nice view. Nice view of the road. Quiet street. Yeah. Alright. Done. 790 pesos. 14 bucks. Ashley jumping in back with her dad. Got it? Or not. Going inside? Alright. Go to the market. Huh? Changed over. No, you played bingo, remember? A couple days ago? You played bingo and you lose like you always do. Your donation. Market. A wet market. One time I'll wander around inside and get you some good video. No, not night market. What are you doing? Huh? What you doing? Watching. Alright. Yay. Alright. Yay, home. And we drove by what's going to be a Jollibee down by Pure Gold. Chona's little makeshift car wash. 5 pesos, 3 minutes. 5 pesos, 3 minutes. Alright. Okay, that's lunch. Alright. There you go, Dad. Short little video. Been a while since I posted something. Kim too, if you happen to watch, but I know you rarely do. Alright, and everybody else, family and friends.